Hey boys and girls, Miss McGinnis here. I just want to give you a quick little tutorial how to get on Maker's Empire. So the very first thing we're going to do is on your Chromebooks, you're going to look for the symbol. That's your Google Play symbol. When you do, it'll take you to another screen and you're going to look to see if you can find the Maker's Empire. You're going to click on that, and from there it'll take you to the page that will allow you to log in. Now, I'm showing you that on a slide versus on the actual program because I'm on my home computer, and on my home computer, it will not allow me to show a Chromebook screen. So my screen's a little bit different than yours. But as I said, when you find that Maker's Empire symbol, you're going to double click it, and it's going to take you to this page. Now, because I've already signed in once, it's going to take me to that. So once you sign in the very first time, it will automatically keep your account. But for today, I want to show you for the first time, this is the screen you're going to get to. And when you do, your teacher will have already set up your account. You're going to go into log in, I have an account. You're going to type in your name, you're going to put in your password, and when you do, it's going to take you to your account. Okay, so when we do, the very first thing you're going to get to do is go into the training lab, and it's going to ask you to create your avatar. Now, many of you have already done that, but just to quickly go through and show you, you can pick your hairstyle, you can choose the color of your hair, and it's going to take you step by step through how you want to do it. Your hair, your eyes, your nose, your mouth, and all your clothing, all of that. When we're finished, we're going to hit the little green check mark. We can go down and pick our eyes. Now, I have to say, you can't see your eyes on that one at all, so you might want to change that. And if you want to see how your avatar is looking, if you click and hold, you can cause it to spin around. Then once you've gone through and picked all of the parts of your avatar, when you're finished, you're going to click the purple flag down here, the button here. And just for a quick, here you have the undo button. Then you have the, if you unclick something and you're like, oh no, I'm actually okay with that, you can put the redo button on there. Or if you just want to start all over, you're going to click that bomb button and it will let you start all over from scratch. So we're going to click finish. When you're finished, you're going to see here that they give you a little checkered flag. That means that one's done. The next one is we're going to go to the tower. The green flag means let's get started. So they're going to just kind of walk you through the steps on how to make a tower. So it says, let's make a tower and choose a shape to form your bottom. Well, we know most of the time we want our tower to be a strong base. And it's going to let us know, okay, we've done that. That's perfect. Then from that, choose a shape for the middle. And then we're going to choose another one to go on, and then one more to go on top. And I think I want mine to be a pyramid. Now, if we're not happy with ours, as I said before, it will show you blow this up. We can undo, blow it up. And now if we're like, oh, I didn't mean to do that, I can hit this undo button. Then if we're happy with everything we have on there, we can finish. The whole point is they're just trying to show you some of the things that you can do and navigate through the toolbar. So if I want to finish this, I'm going to click on my star here and it's going to celebrate. Yay, we have this all finished. And there is your first finished 3D printed tower. And we're going to go to next. And it's going to take you step by step through these different things. If you have questions or you don't know how to do something, please ask the person next to you. The further you get through, the more incredible things you'll be able to do. So enjoy, have fun, and make sure you talk to your teacher if you have any questions.